Hello everyone, I hope you are all are doing great. In today's video, we will use the Microsoft Excel's autofill feature to automatically fill cells that will to automatically fill the cells with data that follow a specific pattern. Select one or more cells that follow a pattern like consecutive numbers or even it can be dates, which I've written here. I'm going to drag it down. It gives me the sequence of numbers here 1 to onward 15. Now come to the date. I have also dragged it down, but it gives me the incorrect date. It's not in the sequence. If the autofill does not fill the cells with the data you want, then select the options from the drop down menu here. There are multiple options like copy cell, fill series, fill formatting only, and many others. You can select any one which you want according to your need. So I'm going to select here fill months. You can see the months have been changed, even the years have been changed. So this is the autofill feature of the Microsoft Excel. Thank you.